In today's video we are on the Isle of Wight, staying at another caravan and motorhome club site. This time it is Southland club site. We pay a visit to Shanklin Chine to check out the waterfalls, both large and small. And we enjoy some beautiful sea views, so stay tuned for more. Welcome to the Isle of Wight. That was a really short trip. I thought it was going to be more like 45 minutes, but in reality it was more like half an hour. I think.
It was dead on half an hour. We were on the boat by 12 and away got on early.
So another caravan and motorhome club site tonight. Bonjour Max. We are heading to three nights actually. We're heading to Southlands Caravan and motorhome club site. We're going to get there just after 1, which is check-in time, so that is perfect. We're going to be going along the coastal
just after
route in a minute. So Suzanne is going to get some amazing vistas with the video camera. We're going to share
maybe
those.
Not so amazing vistas.
We're going to share that footage with you coming up. So enjoy the ride. And welcome to Southland Caravan and Motorhome Club site. First impressions are it is a nice tidy site and we like the look of that pitch in the corner, so this will do us nicely. Welcome to Southland Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We're here, we've set up the awning, we've got a nice pitch. I'll show you a little clip of that now. It's a bit windy, sun's out, we're going to have some lunch and then we're going to head into Sandland Chine? I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen here where we're going, because there's a cool walk there with little waterfalls and walkways and stuff, and it looks quite nice. So, and it's by the coast, so we will see you there. Right, all set up. We're taking the van out now. We're going to a place called Shanklin Chine, which is about 15 minutes away near the coast. We'll show you around. Pretty good site, nice and clean, well manicured. Quite a big site. I think there must be about 70 or 80 pictures here. I'm just going off to pick Max up from the play park. But yeah, the good site. Toilets are clean as you'd expect. I might try and do a proper review like I normally do, so I'll put the link here if I've already done that. Yeah, weather's not bad, it's cloudy, really a bit windy, so it's not ideal, but we'll deal with that, it's fine, it's not too bad. So a little drive around the site now, get Max, and we'll see you at Shanklin Chine with an N. Let's go. It is a Sunday afternoon in the middle of August, so something tells me we are not going to find parking. I was correct, and we're going to try this car park instead. Right, second choice car park, but short walk to Shanklin Chine, downhill. Can't remember the name of that car park, but I'll try and add it below because it isn't far. It's only a 5-minute walk, it says, to Shanklin Chine, which is quite a nice little, I think it's a National Trust place that we can walk around, waterfalls, little paths, things like that. So seeing a bit of the Isle of Wight on our first day here, and we'll see you in a few minutes when we get there. Oh, look right down there. Oh, I don't know if you can see down there, can you? It's a big drop. So initial look at the map is it's not a very long walk, but it's very shaded, so it means it's really cool. So we are heading towards a waterfall. I don't think it's going to take much more than 20 minutes, half an hour to get there. Lots of little brooks, lots of little streams. Nice sound of running water. So there's a waterfall here somewhere, which is the sort of thing that I'm looking at anyway, so we'll make our way to there and show you the sights along the way. Ten, 15 minutes later we made it to the waterfall, and here it is. And here we have an historical maritime display of old diving and marine objects donated for show here at Shanklin Chine. So you may remember some time ago we did, or a couple of years ago, we've done a couple of walks very similar to this. The one was the Lidford Gorge, which was in Devon, and the other one was the Lynmouth to Watersmeet walk, which was North Devon coast. So I'm going to put links to those 2 videos down below, so be sure to check those out if you like this kind of thing, because these little gorge walks with the waterfalls and the streams, I really like taking them, and you know, they're great fun. So yeah, nearly done this one though, so let's carry on. So we are going up to the coastal display, which is one of the last points. I think it's just a few steps up, and hopefully we are going to get some great views. We'll check that way out in a second. That's a big leaf. Look at the size of them, look. There's not many things in this world bigger than my head. Let's show you the scale.
Whoa! The power. Magic. Dun dun dun!
That is a big leaf. That was a gonorrhea.
No,
not a gonorrhea.
Gonorrhea. I've got diarrhea.
It is, little tea shop there. You can buy snacks and
I have a very nice
drinks.
biscuit.
What was it called? A shine cake. Shanklin Chine cake. A chine cake. A chine cake. That was Shanklin Chine. Pretty good. It's £26 for the 3 of us, so it's not cheap for 2 hours, but we love those little walks and the little brooks and just like the being in a sort of gorge and that kind of environment. So really enjoyed it. So we're just going to head down the Esplanade now, or Esplanade, tomato. Amusements, give Max something to do, maybe get a cup of coffee somewhere, and before we head back to the campsite. So let's go check it out. Let's head back to the campground for something to eat. And it's time to try spaghetti pizza in the new Ramosca oven. A video all about this new gadget is sure to follow. We still have lots to do on the Isle of Wight, so don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.